Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Chevy, please help me subscribe to the channel and click that bell notification so every time I have new videos you will be updated. But I'm working on the 2018 Chevy Malibu 1.5 turbo. So right now I'm doing the oil change service on this, and let's see, kind of dark, a little bit dirty. Filters right in the front right here, and the bolt, the drain bolt is a 15 millimeter. Oh, it's hot. There you go. Now everything's completely drained out. Put the new filter, put a little bit of oil on the gasket so it sits better. Tighten it down, not too crazy. That's it. Drain bolt, finger tighten it. Snug, tight. That's it. For the oil, it takes 0.20, and I have 0.20 full synthetic here, and I believe it takes 4.5, and I'm gonna double check it after. So I put in 4.5. I'm gonna double check it. Right on the dot, right on the high mark. So that's perfect. Now I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil. I'm gonna turn on the car. So I'm gonna toggle through the menu. You can see, go over to vehicle right there, trip to vehicle. You can scroll it up, down, get to the oil life, and then hold it for reset. There you go. Press yes. Back to 100. Turn off the car. Turn it back on. So that's it for this video, guys. Just an oil change. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.